I'm outside the legislature where a Families Minister Heather Stefanson says this province is going to end the controversial practice of birth alerts.
We heard very loud and clear from through our Legislative Review Committee as well as the MMIWG inquiry, who both recommended the end of the practice of birth alerts. We also heard from the Grand Chiefs in the Indigenous communities and the First Nation communities, and also other community members in the Indigenous communities, that this is something that they wanted to see.
This change will take effect on April 1st. It gives child welfare agencies time to get ready to do business in a way that they haven't been doing business previously. These birth alerts are attached to an expectant mother's health file. So when she gives birth, child welfare authorities are notified. Oftentimes it leads to these babies being apprehended right from the hospital at just several hours old. Manitoba has the highest rate of kids in care, 11,000 kids in care at any given time in this province, 90% of whom are Indigenous, and many are taken on a birth alert. They estimate it's one a day that are taken on these birth alerts here in Manitoba. Stefanson said that a review of these birth alerts shows that they didn't work anyways.
So we conducted a review of the birth alert process, and what we found is that there's no evidence to prove that this is that increases the safety of children in any way.
Stefanson said that this is just one part of a massive overhaul to child welfare delivery here in Manitoba. She said that ending these birth alerts, they hope, will set up expectant mothers with the supports already in the community to hopefully keep the children with the mothers instead of taking the kids and then working backwards to get the kids back with these families. Often that never happens.
What we're trying to do is certainly developing those plans, the birthing plans with mums and with families, and there are programs that exist now out there. So what we want to do is try and build back that trust within the community to ensure that we can point them towards these programs that are working.
Melissa Ridgen, APTN National News, Winnipeg.